so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because we are doing another palette bingo, and this video is in collaboration with my friend Lynn Marie MUA. I was really excited when Lynn reached out to me wanting to collab, and you know me, I love doing collab videos. I suggested doing a palette bingo. She's never done one before. Plus, we both had the Norvina Volume 3 palette, and I haven't touched any of my Norvina palettes. I have all three of them. We figured since spring is right around the corner that this would be the best Norvina palette to use for the color story. It's a good excuse to finally give this palette some love. I've heard that this formula is a little bit different than traditional ABH, so we'll definitely give it a whirl and see. Don't forget to check out Lynn's channel to see what look that she came up with. And if you're visiting from Lynn's channel, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. Right, let's get palette bingoing. Usually for my palette bingos, I choose 5 shades and then I place the colors in order that they are drawn. And we have the random numbers generator pulled up. I did not choose 8. I did not change the max number yet, which is 25. All right, generate 2. Of course, this orange is gonna make it into this video. Figures. I'm sure Nona is loving this right now. Oh shit, she pigmented AF. Can I get a do-over? This is gonna stain. Oh no. All right, next number. 13. This one's boring, but it might be able to help clean up this shade. All right. 7. Okay, I can work with this. I like this shade. I think this is my favorite one drawn so far. Okay, we're getting a little bit better. Looks like it's gonna be an all matte look though. Next number. And it looks like we have 4. Oh no, we got this. Yikes. All right, one more color. Come on, give me a shimmer, baby. 17. Yay, inner corners. And this is what the color story we're working with. This should be interesting. I'm very nervous. I already have my foundation and brows filled in using products from my Project Pan and Shop My Stash. I'll link those videos for reference. We are starting hot with the shade A2 right here. I'm not looking forward to this. Just going to be placed in the crease. This orange isn't nearly as scary. I just don't think it looks flattering. But here it is. It is alive and well and very blended out. This orange is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I think it blended out super nice. And then the second shade that we drew was C3. Ooh, lots of kick up. And then I'm just going to take this out in my outer V and then bring it up here to blend kind of where my lid and crease meet. It's a dark enough shade just to add enough depth to my outer V, but without taking away the orange. That would be good for fall and hello spring. I am going to go on ahead and put eyeliner on my waterline because I want to take this shade on my lower lash as opposed to this. I'm going out of order of how I apply eyeshadow to accommodate going in order of the random numbers generator. And now we're going to take B2 for the lower lash. I wish this shade was just a little bit more popping. It's kind of muted on my lower lash. You know, I actually kind of like this look until we're gonna put on the next shade, which is A4. Maybe cutting the crease would have been best for this shade because it's kind of chalky. I'm having flashbacks to the Morphe 35 eye palette, so I'm just gonna pack these on instead of trying to move it on my lid. Well, it turned out a lot better than I expected it to. Just gonna add some eyeliner to my lid. This is my Kaleido Cosmetics. It's slowly dying. I actually need to clean my brushes and stop using just this color switch. And then let's complete the look with D2 in the inner corner. Finally, a shimmer. And then I'm gonna spray some MAC Fix. Ooh, that is so pretty. I added some mascara, and then I topped off my lips with the ColourPop Bullet Lipstick in the shade Slow Dance. I really wasn't sure what kind of lip would have went with this look, so I definitely went on the neuter side. I am not terribly mad at the final look. It is definitely out of my comfort zone going in with orange and lime green. I think it all worked out in the end. I low-key am living for this, and I think the numbers generator actually was very generous with this look. I know it could have definitely done me a lot dirtier than it has in the past. Just because my least favorite color was drawn first doesn't mean that it was going to completely ruin the look. I can see how this Norvina palette performs than the typical ABH formula. I think the mattes take a little bit more time to blend. I think they're more pressed pigments, but the shimmers seem to be good, just not nearly as much fallout as traditional ABH. I'm really excited to see Lynn's look and what numbers were drawn to her. Don't forget to check her out. And if you guys have the Norvina Volume 3 palette, what are some of your favorite color combinations? Is this the only Norvina palette that you have, or do you have volumes 1 and 2? And which one is your favorite? Did you pick up any of the mini ones? Kind of wanted the mini cherry one, but I resisted because I figured I already had all 3 of these, and this is the first one I'm using, so I did not need the mini ones on top of that. And I would love to know what other palettes you would like to see palette bingos with. Depending on the palettes that you guys put in the comments, I'll reach out to some of my friends to see if they have those, and maybe we'll do another palette bingo. You guys seem to really enjoy these types of videos. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.